Hey there! If you've been dealing with digestive issues or trying to improve your gut health, you're not alone. I struggled with bloating, discomfort, and irregular digestion for a long time. But then I found Prime Biome. Stick around to the end for an important tip, and don't forget the official link is already in the description below this video, okay? For a while, I was constantly feeling bloated and uncomfortable after meals. No matter what I ate, it felt like my stomach was always in turmoil, I tried all kinds of diets, but nothing seemed to help me. That's when I decided to give Prime Biome a try. It is a supplement that's designed to help balance your gut health, and it's made a huge difference for me, Prime Biome is a probiotic supplement that contains a powerful blend of ingredients like prebiotics and probiotics that work together to support healthy digestion. These ingredients help restore the natural balance of your gut microbiome, which is key for proper digestion and overall health. After researching the product, I felt confident that it was exactly what I needed. Not mentioning that it can also help with the health of your skin, because it will replace the old cells by new cells. So you will also feel rejuvenated, I love how easy it is to incorporate Prime Biome into your daily routine too. I take it once a day and it's so simple. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and honestly, I've already noticed huge improvements. My digestion is smoother, I feel less bloated and lighter, I just feel better overall, and my skin looks better than ever. What I've noticed the most since I started Prime Biome is how much better I feel after eating, I no longer feel sluggish or bloated, and I don't have to worry about discomfort. It's like my stomach finally feels at peace right now. I have more energy and I just feel healthier overall. One of my favorite things about Prime Biome is how it's not just about fixing symptoms. It is about supporting long-term digestive health. By restoring balance to my gut, I've noticed improvements not just in digestion, but in my skin, energy levels, and even my mood. It is truly being a game changer for me. Before you go, guys, here is an important tip for you. Prime Biome can only be purchased from the official website. There are other places claiming to sell the original product. However, you can buy it only on the official link, okay? Remember that I fixed it in the description below this video. So if you're ready to improve your digestive system, guys, Prime Biome is here to help you in a natural and healthy way. The link is just below. Bye-bye.